Hold on to your seats because today we are breaking the internet with a massive reveal that is going to send shockwaves straight through the entire global cruising community. The legendary chopper scene is officially getting a seismic shakeup that nobody saw coming, and you are getting the absolute first look right here. We are diving deep into the mind-blowing world of the all-new 2026 Honda VT1300CX Complete New Version Concept, a machine that redefines radical factory custom styling. If you thought the traditional custom scene was slowing down, this futuristic beast is here to completely shatter your expectations and set a whole new gold standard. Welcome back to AME Auto, your ultimate destination for everything fast, wild and cutting edge in the automotive universe. If you crave exclusive concept leaks, deep dive breakdowns, and the absolute latest industry tea before anyone else handles it, you know exactly what to do. Hit that subscribe button and mash the notification bell right now, because the craziest, most exclusive concepts always land right here on this channel. First today, we are putting the legendary legacy of Honda engineering under the microscope to see how a classic fan favorite is mutating into a next generation mechanical monster. Let us take a quick trip down memory lane to talk about the absolute icon that paved the way for this absolute madness. The original classic version was nothing short of a masterpiece, capturing that authentic long and low custom chopper vibe, straight out of a factory box with bulletproof reliability. It was a bike that turned heads on every single street corner, offering riders that elite aesthetic without the devastating mechanical headaches of standard custom builds. But times are changing rapidly, and the streets are demanding something even more aggressive, tech-loaded and utterly breathtaking for the modern era. Now we have to look directly at this stunning 2026 concept and ask the ultimate, burning question that is currently dividing the riding community. Does the original vintage masterpiece still hold the crown in your heart? Or are you ready to completely surrender to this insanely futuristic, next-level evolution? We want to know your raw, unfiltered thoughts on this massive design shift. So make sure to drop your perspective in the comment section below. Are you a purist who prefers the old-school simplicity? Or does this hyper-modernized, aggressive vision represent the absolute peak of custom engineering for you? Looking closely at the front profile of this 2026 concept version, the visual impact is nothing short of an absolute knockout punch. The rake angle has been aggressively optimized, pushing the front wheel out even further to create a dangerously sleek silhouette that screams pure speed and dominance. The iconic high-mount steering head remains the star of the show, creating that massive open, see-through space behind the front wheel that defines true custom chopper culture. It looks incredibly fierce, sitting low and proud while asserting an undeniable road presence that commands instant respect from every single angle. The headlight assembly on this new variant has undergone a total evolutionary transformation, ditching the traditional look for a hyper-futuristic, aerodynamic housing seamlessly integrated into the sleek triple trees. The new lighting cluster features multi-projector matrix elements that can slice through the darkest night with absolute surgical precision. It brings a sharp, menacing facial expression to the motorcycle, instantly elevating it from a retro cruiser to a SCIF-inspired asphalt assassin. This is not just about illuminating the open road ahead. It is about making an unforgettable visual statement the exact second you roll up, moving down the stunning lines of the machine. The frame itself is a masterclass in clean, minimalist structural engineering. Honda designers have completely hidden the frame welds and routed all essential wiring inside the high-strength steel tubing to deliver a breathtakingly clean look. This concept frame flows effortlessly from the steering head all the way down to the rear axle, creating an unbroken visual line that looks like liquid metal. It perfectly balances that rigid, hardtail illusion with advanced functional geometry, ensuring the motorcycle looks like a rolling piece of fine art. The fuel tank is another absolute highlight of this 2026 concept design, boasting a radical, ultra-stretched teardrop shape that gracefully flows into the seat. It is remarkably narrow and elongated, perfectly accentuating the elongated chassis, while holding just enough fuel for those epic weekend highway escapes. The way the tank effortlessly arches over the massive engine block creates an intense mechanical contrast that is highly addictive to look at. It emphasizes pure artistic form, without sacrificing the legendary, ergonomic comfort that riders expect from a premium factory custom cruiser. Speaking of comfort, the seating area on this new concept version has been completely reimagined to offer an ultra-low integrated riding position, dropping the saddle even closer to the pavement. It provides an empowering cockpit feel that places you directly inside the machine, rather than just sitting on top of it. The premium materials used on the saddle feature intricate contrast, stitching and ergonomic support zones, tailored for aggressive highway cruising. It ensures that even with a radical custom stance, you can comfortably chew up miles without feeling the typical custom bike fatigue. Now let us talk about the absolute beating heart of this mechanical monster, where things get seriously wild and incredibly exciting. The massive V-twin power plant has been heavily updated for 2026, showcasing a stunning blacked-out finish, contrasted with blindingly polished cooling fins. The cylinder angle remains perfectly proportioned, filling out the center of the frame, with massive mechanical density that looks incredibly muscular. It is a gorgeous centerpiece that honors traditional cruiser architecture while packing some of the most advanced internal engineering ever developed for a production motorcycle. The engine performance of this 2026 concept version is engineered to deliver an absolute avalanche of low-end grunt and continuous highway power, with revised internal components and an optimized fuel injection system. The throttle response is dialed in to give you instant, neck-snapping torque the moment you twist your wrist. The exhaust note, generated by the redesigned staggered dual pipes, is a deep, thunderous rumble that shakes the ground without losing its refined, rhythmic pulse. It provides that authentic, soul-stirring auditory soundtrack that makes every single ride feel like an absolute cinematic event. The cooling system on this machine is an absolute engineering marvel, cleverly hiding a high-efficiency radiator right between the front frame-down tubes. It is completely invisible to the untrained eye, preserving that pristine air-cooled custom look, while delivering the flawless thermal management of a modern, liquid-cooled engine. This means you can sit in brutal bumper-to-bumper traffic or blast down wide-open desert highways without ever worrying about performance degradation. It is this exact level of meticulous attention to detail that sets a factory-backed concept completely apart from standard backyard builds. Looking toward the rear of the motorcycle, the massive, fat rear tire instantly grabs your attention and refuses to let it go. It wraps tightly around a gorgeous custom-designed alloy wheel, providing that iconic, ultra-wide custom footprint that looks incredibly menacing from behind. The rear fender is chopped down to the absolute legal limit, hovering closely over the rubber to emphasize that aggressive slam-to-the-ground custom appearance. It creates a powerful hot rod-inspired rear profile that lets everyone behind you know they are trailing something truly extraordinary. The rear suspension setup utilizes a brilliantly hidden, single shock system that preserves the flawless, clean lines of a classic hardtail chopper frame, tucked far away out of sight beneath the seat. The swing arm geometry works flawlessly, with an advanced damping system to absorb road imperfections with ease. This allows you to enjoy that ultra-clean, vintage custom look without sacrificing your lower back to the harsh realities of uneven asphalt.